Hello guys, back again with me, Ilma Farida Hannun. This time I will give you a tutorial how to download and install Anaconda on Windows. But before we learn how to install Anaconda, I will give you a little description about Anaconda. Anaconda is a distributor of the Python and programming language for scientific computing, machine learning, and descriptive analysis, which aims to simplify package management and deployment. This platform can be used on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Then, how to install Anaconda on Windows? Let's follow this step.
First, open Chrome and type download Anaconda. Then choose the top one. Then click download to start the download process. Because I have downloaded Anaconda, just open it in the download folder in the library. After that, install Anaconda with run as administrator. A display like this will appear and click Next. Then a license agreement will appear and click I agree. Then installation type will appear and click Just Use. After that, we are asked to choose storage location for the installation. Here, I choose as suggested. After that, we are asked to choose Advanced Installation option and choose this. And wait for the installation process. If it's done, then click next. Here we have steps to install Anaconda. Then we must try to open Anaconda. Yes. Wait the process. And yep, Anaconda is ready to read us.
Okay guys, that's all the tutorial for download and install Anaconda on Windows. I hope this is useful for all of us. Thank you and bye.